That's big. That's a big fire. Everybody, today I'm gonna be making a video on how to use like this. Let me flip it around so you know. It is this camp cooker. I don't know the brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like a cooking brand. Let's see. There you go. It's like that. It's like this. Oh, let me flip you all around. Looks like this. It's got a big stick on it, so you can like lay in the fire and the embers and stuff and cook whatever you want in it. Today I'm gonna be making pizza. So I've got bread and sauce and everything I need in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go gather all the sticks that I need for the fire, and I'm gonna get started. I just got all the wood and leaves for the fire. I don't need much wood today because all I need to do is get embers for it to get hot enough to cook it. We only need something that big, so yeah, not much wood, but just enough to get us going. So I'm gonna put it all on a time lapse. We're making today we're gonna be doing a lean-to fire. So it's like if you guys know like a lean-to like garage or something like that. It looks something like that, but with wood. So like I'm gonna lean it up against this grate right here. I gotta raise up and just lean the sticks up against it. So it's probably one of the easiest fires to build. So plus I got lighter fluid today, so it's gonna be a lot easier to get like started. So yeah. I just got it all set up. You can't really see it right now, but it's under there underneath all those leaves. But we need those leaves to help start the fire. So I got some lighter fluid out. I want to set you all down. You can watch me light it. All right, you all set it up. Get the lighter fluid right here. Soak it really nice. Alright, I see plenty. Gotta grab my lighter. Okay. It's getting pretty big. Jeez. That better light. Alrighty, while that fire's heating up behind me, I'm gonna get our food prepared. So right here we got our little skillet thing. Y'all can't see my face, but that's gonna have to do. Got your little cast iron looking cooker. Opens up just like this, just like that. You got two halves. I got some cooking spray, so that way it doesn't stick. So I'm just gonna spray it, get the leaf out of there. Okay, just like that, so you can slides out nice and easy. All right, and then you get your bag of goodies right here. So right now, I've got tomato sauce right here in this little thing. And 2 pieces of bread, so it's gonna act like a crust. So you just set them right there inside your 2 halves, just like that. You might have to peel off the crust on them. That'd be all right. They're a little bit big. That's right, it'll work. It'll make do. Okay, just form it into there, and then you take your cheese. Actually, we'll do pepperonis first. Why not? Okay, take pepperonis. Just put some in there, just like that. You can make whatever kind of pizza you want with this, but I like pepperoni pizza. You take some cheese and just sprinkle it on there, just like that. There you go. And then you take tomato sauce, which is in here, and then you just pour some. I'm gonna use my finger to spread it. I can just wipe it off in the leaves. All right. There you go. And then you carefully take the halves and you put them together. Just like that. Squeeze them. You latch it, and there you go. And then let's get on over here and flip you all around. All right, you got your cooker, and then so you want to put it in the embers. So the embers are right here on the bottom. You slide it in right there, and you just wait for it to cook. That's pretty much the gist of it right there. You want to get your fire hot enough. So, yeah, I'll put you on a time lapse of it cooking, and I'll get back to you on one. All right, we're gonna check on it now. It's been a little while, about 8 minutes. It still was pretty hot, so I don't want it to cook that long. I'll get all the embers off. All right. Decided to here in the dirt so it doesn't catch nothing on fire. Okay, let's see here. Let's undo it. I didn't bring your plate. I probably messed up. Oh, that's perfect. Oh yeah. Here, let me flip it around so it matches. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a plate. I'm gonna start eating. All right, I got a plate now. I gotta get this thing out of here somehow. Maybe I can like use a stick or something. That looks good. Probably not the best thing to use on your food, but it's better than not getting it out, I guess. Okay, it's somewhat coming out. Cooking spray definitely did help. You can tell where I didn't get it on there. Oh yeah, there we go. That smells good. It smells like toast almost because of the bread. I'll try to show it to you. All right, it's hot. I'm gonna catch back to you when it cools down. All right, it's cooled down a little bit, so I'm gonna take my first bite right here. That's good. That's good. Really good. It's cooked pretty much perfectly. I think I had it in there for like 7 minutes, but it all depends on how hot your fire is. I could eat these all day. It tastes just like pizza. I didn't even put any like garlic stuff on it or anything, like garlic powder. I guess that's, you put that on there, pizza. It's really good. Really cheesy too. It's pretty small though, so if you're having these for like a whole meal or whatever, and I'd probably cook around 2 or 3, probably around 1 or 2 a person. Depends how much they eat. Like I'd probably eat like 2 of these for dinner. Last bite. That was delicious. I can't believe how good that was. First time ever trying to make that too. Never done it before by myself. Yeah, that was really good. Alright, I'm gonna put the fire for y'all how to do that. So pretty much, I just have this bucket of water sitting by in case there's something ever happens, or just put it out the end. It's always a good idea to have a water bucket nearby, so I just pour it all in there. Just like that. It was a whole bucket of soapy water, so fine. And then you take this, your shovel, and then just, whoops, that's not supposed to be on fire. Oh, whatever. Not that hard. Just get them all down here. Mix it all up so nothing can start again when you're not outside. There you go, just like that. After they put it out. So much for watching today's video. I had lots of fun making it, and it tasted really good today. So yeah, lots of fun. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. And yeah, peace.